In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online in 2025 step by step. Opening a bank account has never been simpler, and having a Barclays Bank account can provide numerous benefits to managing your finances. Let's dive into the process together and ensure you have a seamless experience. First, head over to the official Barclays website by visiting www.barclays.co.uk/current-accounts. Here, you'll discover a variety of account types offered by Barclays, each catering to different needs. Whether it's the everyday current account, basic account, blue rewards account, or premier account, there's something for everyone. Take a moment to explore these options and decide which account best suits your requirements. Once you've chosen the account type that aligns with your needs, click on Apply Now. However, don't rush into it without examining the eligibility details. These may include age, income, or residency requirements, which are crucial to check beforehand. Next, it's time to start your application. You'll find the option to apply online or through the Barclays mobile banking app. It's worth noting that the app offers a convenient feature allowing you to upload documents and verify your identity quickly, making the process even smoother. Now let's talk about entering your personal details. This part of the application will ask for your full name, date of birth, UK address, contact information, nationality, employment details, and your national insurance number if you have one. It's important that all these details match your ID documents exactly to avoid any delays or issues. Verification is up next, and you'll need to upload a photo ID like a passport or UK driving license. Additionally, proof of address is required, which can be a recent utility bill, council tax bill, or bank statement. Barclays may also request a short selfie video as an extra step to confirm your identity. After you've completed all these steps, review your application thoroughly. Once everything appears correct, go ahead and click Submit. You might receive an instant decision, but if not, don't worry. Sometimes Barclays might need a few days to review your application in more detail. Finally, once your application is approved, you'll receive your account details. This will include your sort code and account number, followed by your debit card, which will be delivered by post within a few days. You'll also get instructions to set up online banking and the Barclays mobile app, granting you full access to your new account and features right at your fingertips. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can open a Barclays bank account online quickly and efficiently. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking for additional banking options, Barclays offers a range of accounts to suit a variety of needs. Best of luck with your new account.